So in order to start designing in Corel Draw, you may want to add in different elements. So to do that, on the left hand side, you can see that text and shapes are an option right here. For example, you can go around over here, click on the rectangle, click and drag it out right here, and this is the rectangle that you have. Over here on the right hand side, you got the color that you can go around and click right here, just like this, as you can see right here, just like that. So this is what you have, as you can see. So you got the color code being shown right here as well, and that is what you have. If I were to go around over here onto, let's say for example, the ellipse tool right here, you can go around and make the ellipse tool and select out a color for it as well. So this is what you have as well. You can also go around and select a stroke right here, just like this, change around the size right here, just like that, and then work around with it, as you can see right here as well. So over here on the top, you can see that you got different options for this particular layer as well. So apart from that, you can see that there's the polygon that you have around over here as well, just like this. And if I were to go around and then click, then this is what you have, as you can see right here. You can go around, choose the type of the point right here, just like this, and this is what you have. So if I were to go around over here, then this is the shapes that you can actually go around and move around and place it wherever you want. Then after that, if you were to go around onto the text section right here, you can go around, grab in a text box right here and start typing out things right here, just like this. If I were to go around and click, then just type this out right here, just like this. And then this is what you have, as you can see right here. And that is how you can go ahead and add in shapes and text. And if I were to go around onto the move tool, you can click and drag it around right here, just like this. And this is what you have, as you can see right here. So that is how you can go around and add in shapes and text inside of Corel Draw. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.